who represented India at the G7 Summit 2025 held in Canada? Correct option is B. Narendra Modi. Which Indian football player was awarded the Padma Shri in 2025? Correct option is C. I. M. Vijayan. When is National Science Day celebrated annually in India? Right option is B. On 28th February. In September, Saudi Arabia signed a historic mutual defense pact with which country? Right option is A. Pakistan. Under the Khelo India scheme, how many Khelo India State Centers of Excellence have been notified so far? Correct option is C. 34. On 26th August, a massive landslide occurred on which famous pilgrimage route in Jammu and Kashmir due to heavy rains? Correct option is C. Vaishno Devi Yatra. Who won the Sportsman of the Year award at the Laureus World Sports Awards 2025? Correct option is C. Armand Duplantis. Which government initiative focuses on overcoming language barriers using AI-based real-time translation for Indian languages? Right option is B. Bhashani. Which historical figure is known for sacrificing her life to protect khejri trees in Rajasthan in 1730? Correct option is B. Amrita Devi Bishnoi. Who chaired the 55th Monetary Policy Committee meeting of the RBI held in June 2025? Correct option is D. Sanjay Malhotra. When is International Day of Families celebrated every year? Right option is A. On 15th May. The Government of India has constituted a committee of secretaries to process the implementation of which pay commission for central employees in October? Right option is B. 8th Pay Commission. IRDAI imposed a fine of 1 crore rupees on ACO General Insurance in May for violating which section of the Insurance Act 1938? Correct option is D. Section 40. Who was awarded the Vigyan Shri Award in the field of agricultural science under the National Science Awards 2024? Correct option is A. Dr. Anand Ramakrishnan. What is the least distance of distinct vision for a normal healthy human eye? Right option is B. 25 centimeters. What is the SI unit of electrical resistivity? Correct option is B. Ohmmeter. If the magnification produced by a lens or mirror is positive, the nature of the image is. Right option is C. Virtual and erect. Which white precipitate is formed when barium chloride solution is mixed with sodium sulfate solution? Correct option is A. Barium sulfate. What color solution is formed when black copper oxide reacts with dilute sulfuric acid? Correct option is B. Blue. Bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine gas on which substance? Right option is D. Dry slake lime or calcium hydroxide. Stars appear to twinkle in the night sky due to? Correct option is B. Atmospheric refraction. In Bohr's atomic model, the electron is treated as. Correct option is A. Particle only. When a metal carbonate reacts with an acid, the main products formed are. Correct option is B. Salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. What happens to the intermolecular gap when pressure is increased on a gas? Right option is B. It decreases. Which of the following is not a function of the endoplasmic reticulum? Right option is D. Cellular respiration or DNA storage. Which of the following statements about binary fission in organisms like amoeba is incorrect? Correct option is C. It requires 2 parents. What is the main purpose of DNA replication during cell division? Correct option is B. To provide a complete set of genetic information to each daughter cell. What is the practice of growing two or more crops simultaneously on the same piece of land called? Correct option is A. Mixed cropping. Skeletal muscles primarily assist the body in which activity? Right option is B. Voluntary movements. Which process is used to convert sulfide ores into oxides by heating strongly in the presence of excess air? Correct option is D. Roasting. An electrical appliance with a power of 1000 kilowatts is used for 1 hour. What is the energy consumed? Correct option is C. 1000 units. Who has recently won the International Booker Prize 2025? Correct option is C. Banu Mushtaq. Who has been appointed as the 52nd Chief Justice of India on 14th May? Correct option is B. Justice B.R. Gavai. In the World Happiness Report 2025, what is India's rank among 147 countries? Correct option is B. 118th. Finland ranked first in this index and published by Wellbeing Research Centre, which has become India's first urban centre to focus on climate budget. Right option is D. Ahmedabad. The 6th BIMSTEC Summit, attended by the Narendra Modi, was hosted by which country? Correct answer is D. Thailand. Which country has been declared malaria-free by the World Health Organization? Correct option is A. Georgia. Who has become the new chairman of the Indian Space Research Organization in January? Right option is D. V. Narayanan. When is World Wildlife Day 2025 celebrated? Correct option is C. On 3rd March. Where has the 6th edition of India and Uzbekistan joint military exercise Dustalik organized? Right option is A. Pune, Maharashtra. Who has taken charge as the Election Commissioner of India? Correct option is C. Gyanesh Kumar. Which has recently become the first fully literate state of India? Correct option is B. Mizoram. Which country recently introduced a visa-free entry policy for Indian citizens? Correct option is C. Philippines. When is World Thyroid Day 2025 celebrated? Correct option is D. On 25th May. Who has topped the recently released World Press Freedom Index 2025? Right option is C. Norway. Norway ranked first in this index and published by Reporters Without Borders. Who has been appointed as the new private secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi in March? Correct option is B. Nidhi Tiwari. Who was recently awarded with the 59th Gyanpeeth Award 2025? Correct option is D. Vinod Kumar Shukla. Where was Asia's first vertical lift railway bridge, also called Pamban Bridge, inaugurated recently? Correct option is B. Tamil Nadu. Where will the 9th edition of Global Technology Summit 2025 be held recently? Correct option is A. New Delhi. Recently, which country's population has seen a decline for the 14th consecutive year? Correct option is B. Japan. Which state has become the first state to implement SC Classification Act recently? Correct option is C. Telangana.